Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic food.
Turn your magic on to me, he'd say. Everything you want, so dream away. Oh, we are legends every day. That's what he told me. Turn your magic on to me, he'd say. Everything you want, so dream away.
Bula vinaka and welcome to our Come Fly With Me series. This is another Fiji Airways exotic destination. Famed for its adventure, food, fashion and shopping, it's welcome to Hong Kong.
I feel my heart beating. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again.
Hong Kong is an autonomous territory and former British colony in southeastern China. Its vibrant, densely populated urban center is a major port, global financial hub, fashion and shopping destination with a skyscraper-studded skyline. The city is branded as Asia's World City and is also famed for its dining attractions and Michelin star restaurants. Hong Kong is home to the popular Hong Kong Sevens, which is considered as the premier tournament on the World Rugby 7 Series competition. The Fiji Airways Sevens team have won this tournament 19 times. You can fly to Hong Kong 5 times a week from Nadi direct on Fiji Airways. Ideally situated in downtown Kowloon, adjacent to the bustling Nathan Road, the city view is right at the heart of the territory's transport hub, leading to all destinations, and is our recommendation for stay when in Hong Kong. It's a 45-minute drive from Hong Kong International Airport and just a minute's walk from the Yau Ma Tei MTR station, with a host of popular chain stores and great dining outlets nearby for you to enjoy. Also, just 10 minutes away on foot are some of Hong Kong's most famous tourist attractions, like the Ladies Market in Mong Kok, Jade Market, Temple Street Night Market and many other hidden gems, making the city view the ideal destination for both business and leisure travelers. Aside from some of the famous landmark attractions of the World City, Hong Kong is also famous for its shopping, and when here, there are 3 main markets that you can choose from for cheap and affordable fashion. Welcome to Temple Street Night Markets. This is one of 3 popular markets in Hong Kong, and if you're after fashionable and trendy items, then this is where you need to be. Temple Street is a street located in the areas of Jordan and Yau Ma Tei in Kowloon. It is known for its night market, which is one of the busiest flea markets at night in the territory. The night market lies in the Yau Ma Tei, Jordan part of the street, which is lined with stalls that sell fashion, footwear, accessories, electronic gadgets, souvenirs to luggage. And after a night of shopping at one of the busiest night markets in Hong Kong, it's time to reward yourself with one of the famous milk teas in these parts.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some
Now, no trip to Hong Kong is complete without an intense shopping experience here at Causeway Bay. Here, you will find the largest department store in Hong Kong. Causeway Bay shopping is probably Hong Kong's most intense shopping experience. Nowhere are more shops and more people squeezed together than the maze of streets in Causeway Bay, boasting the city's biggest department store, Sogo, and one of the biggest malls, as well as endless avenues of individual boutiques and market stalls. Even if you're not planning to shop, the crowds, the neon, and the smells is worth a visit with your camera. Spread out over 13 floors, this is Hong Kong's biggest department store and a local institution. The Japanese retailer is at the pricier end of the market, but that doesn't mean you won't be able to dig out a bargain. They sell everything from shoes and handbags to electrical appliances. At the intersection with Great George Street and Jardines Bazaar, Yi Wu Street is Causeway Bay's navigational center. This is Hong Kong's busiest intersection, and as the traffic lights turn green, you can watch a mass of humanity sweep across the road. A street of hip shops and boutiques dedicated to local fashion designers and trends, Fashion Walk is along Kingston Street. Strictly speaking, although the stores have spread into the buildings and streets around, the area tends to cater to a young but fashionable crowd, although there are shops to suit all tastes. Times Square is the area's main shopping mall and one of the biggest in Hong Kong. Boasting 16 floors and 230 shops, the mall holds a useful mix of mid-priced local and international brands. It also has some excellent food options on its upper floors and a cinema attached. They are packed with budget clothes shops, with the latter also boasting a small market. If you're looking for Hong Kong's buy them high, sell them cheap bargains, this is the place to be. Don't expect quality, but do expect a lot of clothing at very little prices. Here you'll also find some of Hong Kong's famous street food fueling the late night shoppers. And speaking of food, you cannot visit Hong Kong without trying the most famous roast goose at one of my favorite places, Nanki Restaurant. The food here is so amazing that I guarantee you'll be back for more.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some
Welcome to the Ladies Market. This is one of the busiest street markets in Hong Kong, and I guarantee you will find just about anything for everyone. With over 100 stalls of bargain clothing, accessories and souvenirs, the Ladies Market on Tung Choi Street provides a 1-kilometer stretch on which to practice your haggling skills. It gets its name from the huge amount of clothing and accessories on sale for women of all ages. However, with watches, cosmetics, bags, home furnishings, CDs and trinkets also up for grabs, you don't need to be just in the market for a pair of nylon stockings to find something within its crowded aisles.
そう君だけの夢や希望決して消させやしないため誰かを救うその強さも戸惑い嘆くそのよう
And for more bargains in a market setting by the sea, then you must check out the Stanley Market. Stanley Market is one of the must-go places for tourists when they visit Hong Kong. You'll find an interesting array of little shops selling silk garments, sportswear, art, Chinese costume jewelry and souvenirs. While a bit touristy, if you are a tourist, it will certainly help you to cross off all the items on your souvenirs to buy Aunt Jane shopping list. This historic street market on the city's serene south coast is also popular for souvenirs like lacquerware, embroidered tablecloths, prints and paintings.
Turn your magic on. To me he'd say everything you want and dream away.
I have visited Hong Kong a few times, and this city will always be a favorite of mine for the great and affordable selections of shopping, the famous street markets and my favorite roast goose meals at Nang Kee, including the electric feeling of excitement of just being in one of the coolest cities in the world. You will always fall in love with the many unique experiences of Hong Kong, and I guarantee you'll never grow tired of coming back to arguably one of the greatest cities in the world.
Feel my heart beating. I feel my heart beneath my skin.
Come fly with me to Hong Kong. Fiji Airways flies direct to Hong Kong International Airport up to 5 times a week from Nadi International Airport. For flight specials, visit www.fijiairways.com. Stay at the City View Hotel from around 150 Fijian dollars per night, twin share. Conditions apply. You can take a hotel coach to and from Hong Kong International Airport for around 40 Fijian dollars one way. Octopus cards cost around 30 Fijian dollars and is recommended for most public transportation in Hong Kong. A round trip to the Big Buddha on a standard Ngong Ping cable car cost around 87 Fijian dollars. Conditions apply. And try a tasty roast goose meal at Nang Kee from around 80 Fijian dollars. Fiji passport holders receive a tourist visa on arrival at Hong Kong International Airport, which is valid for 90 days.
Beneath my skin, I feel my heart beating. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again. Like I'm alive again.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's a one-man band and he'll toot his flute for you.